Our dual-arm monitor mount with height-adjustable gas spring arms allows you to switch from monitor to monitor effortlessly. The slide-in VESA plate allows you to slide the monitors into the wall mount with ease, then install the locking screw to make sure that your monitors are safely secure. The integrated cable management system allows you to hide unwanted wires to keep your workspace clutter-free. Each arm has a gas spring and can adjust up and down with the touch of a finger. Easily swivel the monitors up to 180 degrees and rotate your monitors from landscape to portrait mode. Our dual-arm monitor wall mount with height-adjustable gas spring arms is ideal for small offices, game rooms, and anywhere space is at a premium.